everybody, welcome back to Drunken Sour. It's been a while since we've seen y'all. We've got a couple of new subscribers, so I want to welcome you to the channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, you'll see the links in there. Please subscribe. It's a cold, wintry day here in the Northeast. Everybody's getting a lot of snow. Everybody's getting a lot of sleet. Everybody's got a little ice going on. Everybody's got a sourpuss. So thinking, what can we have to drink today? Let's make a sour. I know everybody says, oh, I think you did a whiskey sour before. Well, we're not going to do a whiskey sour today. We're going to do something a little bit different, and we're going to do an Amaretto Sour. It's a little bit sweeter. I just like Amaretto Sours, so let's give that a shot. First off, we're going to take our glass, and we are going to start with 1/2 ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice. If you're not squeezing your own, you're not going to get the best cocktail. So that's going in there. Next, 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. It's equal parts of sugar and water. You boil it, simmer it for a little while, and let it cool. Okay, and then what makes it really good, 2 ounces of Amaretto. Today we're using Trader Vic's Amaretto. Okay, give that a shot. We've got all our liquid ingredients in there, but we want to take this cocktail up one notch. And to do that, we are going to use fresh egg white. Today's egg, compliments of Abigail, fresh from the backyard. So we're going to take 1 egg white and put it in there. The egg white gives it a real full flavor, a nice texture to it, and it gives it that foamy top. So now what we're going to do is give it a dry shake. Nice vigorous shake. You got to be careful with it. It can be kind of messy. Okay, and that gives it nice foamy texture. Okay, now what we want to do is give it some chill. We're going to put some ice in the shaker, and we're going to give it a shake to cool it down. Quick shake, 10 seconds. And we're going to strain it in a glass. Actually, let's put some ice in the glass. Pouring. This is so good, you're going to want every last drop. And last but not least, we're going to garnish. Today we're using an orange with a cherry on it. How can you beat anything with a cherry on top? So that is today's cocktail. Oh, that's the best one yet.
Yeah. Oh, wow, that's yummy.
There you go, folks.
Very good.
Very good. Okay, remember, if you like it, give it a try. Taste it. It's really simple, not a whole lot of ingredients to it. If you like the channel, please subscribe to us. If you want to watch us, you can find us on KM Spinell at TikTok. You can find it on Drunken Sour on YouTube. Enjoy responsibly. Thanks, everybody.